Did you know you can make your car last over 300,000 miles without replacing the engine or spending a fortune? It's not just possible. It's actually common among drivers who follow the right habits. If you want your car to survive well past what the dealership expected, then buckle up. In this video, we're giving you the ultimate roadmap divided into short-term habits, long-term strategies, and seasonal checks. These aren't just car tips. These are the rules that separate junkyard clunkers from million-mile legends. Let's get into it. Number 1. Change your oil on time. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. If it's dirty or old, it can't lubricate the parts properly, and your engine starts wearing out fast. Skipping oil changes is one of the top reasons engines die young. So follow the schedule in your owner's manual. Whether that's every 5,000 or 7,000 miles, don't delay. And don't cheap out on oil. Go for full synthetic if your car allows it. The cost of regular oil changes is nothing compared to the price of a new engine. Want 300,000? Then start with your oil. Number 2. Rotate tires and keep them aligned. Tire rotation prevents uneven wear, especially on front-wheel drive cars where the front tires wear faster. When tires wear unevenly, they cause vibrations and stress suspension components, which leads to premature failure. Misaligned wheels increase rolling resistance and reduce fuel economy while also damaging tires and steering parts. Rotating your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles and checking alignment annually keeps your ride smooth and safe. Don't forget to check your tire pressure monthly, as underinflated tires wear faster and hurt fuel economy. Number 3. Pay attention to noises and vibrations. Your car talks to you, but are you listening? That squeak when you turn, that thud when you brake, or that vibration on the highway. None of that is normal. These are early warning signs. Catch them now, and you're looking at a cheap fix. Ignore them, and you're on your way to a breakdown or a massive repair bill. Get into the habit of addressing problems early. Most major repairs started as small issues drivers ignored. Want to beat 300K? Then listen closely and act fast. Number 4. Don't forget the air filter. The air filter is often overlooked, but it's one of the most important components in keeping your engine healthy. It prevents dirt, dust, leaves, and other airborne debris from entering the engine's combustion chamber. When the filter becomes clogged, it restricts airflow, forcing the engine to work harder and burn more fuel. A dirty air filter can drop your gas mileage by up to 10% and even trigger the check engine light. The good news is, it is one of the easiest things to check and replace, usually takes under 5 minutes. Inspect it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more often if you drive on dusty roads. A clean air filter equals a happy, efficient engine. Don't overlook it. Now let's discuss the long-term strategies. Number 5. Use only high-quality fluids. Your car relies on more than just engine oil. Transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid all play crucial roles. Using cheap or no-name fluids can lead to breakdowns, overheating, and even internal corrosion. Transmission fluid cools the transmission, helps engage gears, and maintains hydraulic pressure. Over time, this fluid becomes contaminated with metal shavings, friction material, and heat breakdown products. This can lead to hard shifting, slipping, overheating, or total failure. A neglected automatic transmission can cost $2,000 to $5,000 or more to rebuild or replace. That's why change it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Similarly, coolant regulates your engine's temperature and prevents it from overheating or freezing. Old coolant also loses its boiling and freezing protection, making your engine vulnerable in extreme weather. If left unchanged, bad coolant can clog your radiator or cause head gasket failure. Now, let's discuss brake fluid. It is a hydraulic fluid that transfers the pressure from your foot on the brake pedal to the calipers, forcing the pads to clamp down on the rotors. But here's the catch. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air over time. Dirty or old fluid can also become contaminated with debris and rust, reducing braking efficiency. That's why it's recommended to replace brake fluid every 2 to 3 years or 20,000 to 30,000 miles. Number 6. Wash and wax regularly to prevent rust. Rust is the silent killer of cars, especially in regions where roads are salted during winter. Once rust starts, it spreads beneath the surface and can compromise structural integrity, brake lines, and suspension components. Washing your car regularly removes corrosive salt and grime. Waxing creates a protective barrier that shields the paint from UV rays, acid rain, and pollutants. Address paint chips immediately with touch-up paint before rust takes hold. A rust-free body ensures your vehicle stays roadworthy long after it crosses the 300,000-mile mark. Number 7. Drive smoothly and avoid aggressive habits. Sudden acceleration, hard braking, and high-speed driving aren't just bad for fuel economy. They severely wear down your engine, brakes, suspension, and drivetrain. Smooth driving reduces the load on all mechanical components, letting them last longer and work more efficiently. It also prevents overheating, especially in older vehicles. Using cruise control on the highway helps maintain a steady speed, which lowers fuel consumption and engine stress. Treat your car gently, and it will return the favor with many extra years of dependable service. Number 8. Stay on top of timing belt or timing chain. Maintenance timing belts and chains synchronize the crankshaft and camshaft, making sure valves open and close at the right time. If this component fails, especially in an interference engine, the pistons can smash into valves and destroy the engine instantly. Timing belts typically need replacement between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, while chains often last longer but require monitoring. Rattling sounds on startup, misfires, or poor engine performance can signal timing issues. Replacing the belt or chain on schedule avoids catastrophic failure. Number 9. Fix leaks immediately. Whether it's a drip of oil, a wet spot under the radiator, or a few drops of brake fluid, any leak means trouble is brewing. Fluid loss reduces protection and can overheat or seize mechanical parts. Leaks also attract dirt, which speeds up wear and corrosion. If left unattended, a small leak can become a major one overnight, possibly stranding you or leading to engine failure. Early diagnosis makes repairs far cheaper. Also, fluids like coolant or brake fluid can damage other systems if they leak onto electrical components or belts. The longer you wait, the worse it gets. Fix it fast and protect your 300K-mile investment. Number 10. Use only quality parts. Using high-quality parts is absolutely critical if you're aiming to push your car past 300,000 miles. While cheap off-brand components might save you money today, but they often lack the durability, precision, and reliability of OEM or reputable aftermarket parts. Low-quality parts can fail prematurely, cause compatibility issues, or even damage other systems in your car. For example, a poor quality water pump might start leaking within a year and lead to engine overheating. Quality parts are engineered to meet or exceed factory specs, ensuring proper fit and function. They may cost more upfront, but they'll last longer, perform better, and save you from frequent repairs. That's all for this video. This is the roadmap to 300,000 miles and beyond. It's not luck. It's not just buying a reliable car. It's consistency. It's listening to your ride. And it's making smart choices every mile of the way. See you in the next video.